Microsoft Access 2013 and VBA. When you create a new database, you typically begin by creating several database objects such as tables, forms, and reports. Eventually, you reach a point where you have to add some programming to automate certain processes and tie your database objects together. This article helps orient you to the programming tools in Access. What is programming? In Access, programming is the process of adding functionality to your database by using Access macros or Visual Basic for Applications (VBA) code. For example, suppose that you have created a form and a report, and you want to add a command button to the form that, when clicked, opens the report. Programming, in this case, is the process of creating a macro or VBA procedure and then setting the command button's onClick event property so that clicking the command button runs the macro or procedure. For a simple operation, such as opening a report, you can use the command button wizard to do all the work, or you can turn off the wizard and do the programming yourself. Objects, such as forms and reports, and controls, such as command buttons and text boxes, have various event properties to which you can attach macros or procedures. Each event property is associated with a specific event, such as clicking the mouse, opening a form, or modifying data in a text box. Events can also be triggered by factors outside of Access, such as system events, or by macros or procedures that are attached to other events. Your database can get complex if you add many macros or procedures to several event properties of many objects, but in most cases, you can achieve the results that you want by using very little programming. Should I use macros or should I use VBA code? The decision to use macros, VBA, or both depends primarily on how you plan to deploy or distribute the database. For example, if the database is stored on your computer and you are the sole user, and if you are comfortable using VBA code, you might decide to use VBA to perform most of your programming tasks. However, if you intend to share your database with other people by locating it on a file server, you might want to avoid using VBA for security considerations. What will I learn? 1. Learn everything about programming in Microsoft Access 2013 and VBA.